Me personally, I'm done reaching for my phone to capture moments. I started actually living them. So for the past week, I've been testing this little thing right here. This is the Looki L1. And you might be wondering, okay, well, what the heck even is this? It's a tiny wearable companion that quietly captures the moments that matter throughout your day and then turns them into an auto-generated vlogs, comics, and even personal insights. And I'll be fully transparent, at first, I didn't even know what to expect. I really thought it was just gonna be like some sort of other camera gadget that kind of brought no value. But it turns out it's actually something completely different. So after wearing this for a week, here's what actually surprised me. So this little device right here, it's not exactly supposed to replace your iPhone or your smartphone, neither your action camera. In fact, it's more like a life companion. So the Looki device, instead of just recording absolutely everything, it tries to automatically find the highlight of your day. And so how does it do that? Well, it takes a look at everything that's going on around you, whether that's a new location that you might be visiting, or maybe some particular movements throughout your day, or some particular activities. And essentially, it just tries to capture the best part of your day. So at the end of the day, it essentially captures all those memories into stories that you can revisit at pretty much any given time. Now, one of the best parts about the device is that it's really small. It just weighs in at 32 grams. So after wearing it for a few hours throughout the day, I genuinely forgot that I had it on me. After wearing the Looki L1, it's just been kind of an interesting experience. I've mainly noticed a huge change in my behavior. Naturally, I've been kind of like educated to always have my phone handy with me, right? The smartphone is one of the things that we carry around with us pretty much anywhere. But it's been a nice switch up to have a device like this that kind of changes that, engraved behavior, and now it essentially does the capturing for you, which means that you can be present in those moments more than ever before. But that's not where the cool stuff ends. In fact, this is actually where the real cool features of this device really start to show itself. The good thing about it is that it doesn't just record things pointlessly. It can actually turn your footage into proper content. And get this, it does all of that without you having to do any sort of editing. It doesn't compile or pile up hundreds and hundreds of photos that you have to browse through. And you also don't end up with like an hour, 2 hours worth of clips to create a vlog's timeline. In fact, it puts all those hurdles to the side and the app creates a generated reel from all the highlights from your day, and it really focuses on the best parts of that specific day. Another really cool feature that I think is really awesome that stands out with this is the fact that it can take your content and create it into a comic. Yes, a literal comic. So it can take moments of your day to create a comic that you can kind of share with friends, look at for another day. This is a really cool feature that's going to allow you to capture that moment and keep it forever. And you can also revisit it at any other time. But this device, it's not just about creating comics or, making highlight reels of your content and just things that you've captured throughout the day. It also has a really important feature on wellness. Inside the app is something called Pi, which gives wellness-related observations and reminders based on your activity. My favorite part about this is that it highlighted routines, daily habits, and moments where I was more active than usual. Now, here's a really cool feature of the Looki L1. I wanted to show you guys because this is actually kind of cool. So it has a built-in AI agent, so it's going to keep track of essentially the things you're doing, and also it's going to keep track of the things you also looked at. Now, here's where this can actually become quite useful. Let's say you looked at something throughout the day, maybe you started your day, you left your sunglasses, your shoes, or whatever, and you're at the middle of your day and you don't remember where you left those things. Now, because you are wearing the Looki L1, it actually can track back the footage that you recorded throughout the day, and it can let you know exactly where you left your stuff. For example, in what box did I leave my soccer shoes?
I think you left them in the orange Nike box from when you unboxed them. Not stupid at all. Easy to forget when you're moving fast.
So there you go. It can actually remember things, which is kind of interesting. So let's say you've lost sunglasses, you don't remember where you put your wallet. It'll actually use the footage that it's been recording throughout the day and track back thanks to the AI agent. Now, since this is a portable camera, there is also a nice attention to privacy. First off, I think it's very important to mention that all the footage that you capture with this is fully controllable. You can delete it, you can delete clips or segments of the footage at any given moment. So if you wish to see something gone, then you can absolutely remove it. Not to mention that the data is also fully encrypted. So the highlight of the data being encrypted means that it's not using your data to train other AI models. It's just personal and it stays within your app. And for those of you who want to share your content with maybe other people or family members, Well, you can do that, but rest assured, it won't share your content automatically. It'll only share it when you actually want to, so that privacy feature is great. And so I have to say that after using this little device for the better part of the last few days, I can confidently say that this device is for quite literally anyone. It's for parents, it's for young couples, it's for maybe even like teenagers who want to capture moments. They play sports and stuff like that. They want to capture those. It's even for content creators who maybe don't always have the time to whip out the camera or this phone, and this will allow them to capture real authentic content that's in the moment. It can also be a great device for pet owners, right? Maybe you want to go out to the park and play with your dog. Then this is going to allow you to capture some moments that you're going to be able to revisit at any other given moment. Not only that, it's great for people who travel a lot. This is going to be like your #1 gadget for traveling and capturing a lot of moments. And other categories can also include like busy professionals who attend regular meetings and need to capture important moments. So all in all, the final verdict, I think this is a great tool for most people who are trying to get a better grip and a better handle of their own lives. It's not exactly looking to help you create better content per se or more professional content. It's essentially just trying to do the job, get it done, just so that you can be more present in the moment, whether it's on a professional level or just enjoying your life more. Now, the auto-generated content is great. The comics are also really fun, and the wellness features are super nice to have as an extra. But the best part is that it truly allows you to put your phone down or anything else down and actually be there in the moment to live some memories that you'll be able to cherish on for a long time. So if all of that sounds like something you genuinely resonate with, then I'll make sure to leave this in the description down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out for yourselves. With that being said, I do want to give a big thank you to the team over at Looki for sending this my way and making this video possible. I truly hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have, a like and a sub is always a good metric to let me know how much you've enjoyed. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and capture some moments and keep adding to my library. Hopefully you guys will pick this one up, and I'm curious to see what you guys are gonna be able to create with it. On that note, I'll catch you in the next one, and I wish you the best of luck.